In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Aliexpress while keeping the item 2025. Start by opening the Aliexpress app or website and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to your profile and go to My Orders. Find the order that has an issue and open the order page by tapping View Details. This is where all the dispute options live. Now choose Return, Refund, or Open Dispute. Before you proceed, make sure your buyer protection is still active. You'll usually see a countdown on the order page. It's important to start the process before that timer runs out. Once it expires, your options are much more limited. When the dispute form asks whether you want to return the item, select No and choose Refund Only. This is the crucial choice that allows you to keep the product while requesting money back, assuming your claim is valid. Next, select the most accurate reason for your claim. Strong options include item not as described, minor damage, missing parts, poor quality, or a color or size mismatch. Avoid choosing item not received if you actually have the product, because that category is for packages that never arrived. Keep your explanation short, honest, and specific, and refer to what the listing promised versus what you received. Upload strong evidence to back up your claim. Clear photos and good lighting, a short video showing the problem in action, and screenshots comparing the product listing to what you got will dramatically improve your chances. Frame the defect or mismatch clearly, and if relevant, show measurements or close-ups that make the issue undeniable. When you set the amount, you can request a partial refund or a full refund. Partial refunds are the most common and often approved faster, especially for minor defects. If the issue is serious, explain why a full refund is appropriate. Aim for an amount that reasonably reflects the problem. Review everything carefully and submit the dispute. After you submit, your refund-only request is active. Here's what happens next. The seller typically has 3 to 5 days to respond. They may accept your request, offer a different amount, or ask you to return the item. You can accept or reject their proposal. Keep communication polite and within the platform, and don't agree to solutions outside the dispute system. If the seller refuses or delays, escalate the dispute. Aliexpress will review the evidence and usually make a decision in 3 to 7 business days. If refund only is approved, you keep the item and receive the refund